At the Washington State Department of Agriculture, our fruit and vegetable inspection program is essential to moving high-quality Washington produce across the nation and around the world. As one of the largest and most automated state-run inspection programs in the U.S., we ensure buyers from New York to Tokyo know exactly what they're getting. Inspectors verify that produce meets grade, condition, and phytosanitary standards, keeping pests and disease out, and quality in. We use pressure testers, size rings, and internal checks to assess quality and maturity. Our team acts as an unbiased third party, communicating clearly and supporting grower success without delay. Approximately 30% of Washington produce is exported. Without certification, many countries wouldn't accept our fruit. It's about trust, quality, and pride. WSDA inspectors help Washington agriculture reach global markets with confidence. Learn more at agr.wa.gov.